You are welcome to come to the public libraries where you can apply for a free library card. All you would need is an identification card which shows your name and photo. For example, an ID from any other nation, a passport, or California ID. With your library card, all is free to check out, including the following: checked out books, toys, CDs, DVDs, tools, and hotspots. With an Oakland Public Library card, you get $1.50 credit for photocopies every day in black and white or color. Also, if you need to send a fax or scan, it's free. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask the staff for any support. With your library card, you can use the free computers. For example, if you need to work on a job application and you don't have a computer at home, you can use the library computers for free by using your library card. Also, if you want to print a document from a computer, come to the Oakland Public Library and they can help you print, scan, and fax. If you ever need help, you can definitely talk to the staff who are working so they can help you. Also, every day your card comes with $1.50 in free printing services. So if you need to print any documents, you can do so at the library. There are 10 free black and white prints, but only 3 free colored copies. If you have more documents to print, black and white pages are 15 cents each and color pages are 50 cents. Also, they offer a service that lets you print any document you have directly from your phone. And if you need help printing from your phone, definitely talk to staff if they can assist you. After you have sent your document for printing, you can come directly to the station to pick up your prints. If you have a public library card, you can use the $1.50 credit to print here by scanning your library card. This machine can accept credit, debit, and cash, and each of the 17 public libraries in Oakland have a scanning and faxing station. It is free, however, if you want something printed, there will be a charge. That is why we ask you to sign up for a free library card and take advantage of these free services. It is offered free to every family member. And even if you don't have a public library card, you could always come and check out the library events and the programs they offer. The Oakland Public Libraries are a safe space where you could come with your family to learn and read. But overall, to enjoy the free services they offer.